For manufacturers in Germany, efficient, resilient and future-oriented production processes can be and will be a competitive advantage. And in order to do that, they require interoperability of systems from various vendors and sources. That's exactly where the OI4 Alliance comes in. And that's also what we discussed over the last 2 days on how to bring this into scalable solutions across the market.
We are hosting the innovation event for the process industry at Endrösenhauser Rheinach.
And here we have the unique chance of bringing together actually users of technology as well as the providers of technology and aligning them, bringing CEOs here, developers, discussing the things that the industry really needs. And that's a huge benefit that the OI4 can provide.
So we have here a mix of companies from the automation space, the software industry, the integration area, and we have users and consumers of automation.
So it was a fantastic event to see all the people working on the same topics and that technology like the asset administration shell, the Factory X and Manufacturing X topics are already arriving in practice and can solve many of our business problems. So we showed the value of connecting the people, definitely, and connecting also the technologies that we are all developing.
Because in the end, it's about connecting machines, but also about connecting the people and get Industry 4.0 really rolling.